I'm doing this project for my first skill test. So the project name is Alarm Clock. I did the alarm clock using the vanilla JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So I designed the application very minimalistic and easy to use as the user if someone is going to interact with this application. So I have created a application and with the time live time which is the application will shows and here we have a drop down button to select the hours and minutes seconds and AM PM and all. So and I have placed a button to set the alarm whether when the time should be so here is the demo for my application. So if the user can choose the time, I'll choose time of 56 and seconds would be 00. It's in PM. So if I set the alarm and I need to switch on the alarm whether I need the alarm or not. So if I need to switch on, if I switched on the alarm, it will be alarming when the time hits. So we'll wait for the time to hit the alarm. And if we need some more alarm also, we can able to set the multiple alarms. So this is the alarm sound. So it also gives the alert message as well. So I just want to stop the alarm. So this is what the alarm clock is. And if you need to add some other times as well, we can able to add that too. So I just add a few more alarm times as well. So how so we can add a number of alarms and we can also delete the alarms if we don't need. So if we need this alarm, we can also on and off according to that. So I just set this like this. And if you need to delete the alarm, you just give the delete button. So it will delete automatically. So it will delete the alarm time. So we will go to the application coding part. So I just share the code. So this is my HTML page. I created this HTML page to design the application for the skeleton of the application, and I have integrated the JavaScript and CSS file into this. So I'll show the CSS file. So this is a CSS file style sheet. So I just styled it kind of simply. And the main part is a JavaScript. So here all the functionality will be there. So here I initially I declare all the variables what all we need to access in this application. So I declared the variables and all. And here is the search functionality. It's used for searching the exact time and the index for the application. So here it is for searching the searching functionality. And these and all are the loops for running the hours, minutes, and seconds in the option where we see in that drop down, right? So there it will be shown as like this. So for that I use a loop for rendering all the things. And for the current time, we are showing the live time, right? So for that, I use set interval. So set interval will refresh the methods for each second. I set the time for per second. So this function will run the current time according to that set interval time. And inside this itself, I checked whether it hits the alarm time. If it hits the alarm time, it will play the alarm sound. So that this is what I did. And so and this is for the set time functionality. So it is just setting the time in the drop down. So that is what it is. So we just set the time. And here the functionality is to create the alarm and whether if here it is a condition. So if the condition hits start timing, otherwise it will stop the timing. And here it is the delete option. If it is if I click the delete button, it will delete the application. So the functional start alarm function will be here. So what it will do now, whether it starts, it will be true, otherwise it will be false. So the boolean I created as a boolean value, whether it is activated or not activated. So this is what my application is. So thank you so much for